Picture this. You're repairing a machine, everything looks quiet. And suddenly, with zero warning, it starts moving. One spark of energy, one unexpected startup, one moment that could change everything. This is why Lockout Tagout exists, because hazardous energy never gives you a second chance. And today, you're about to learn how to stop accidents before they happen. Welcome to the Lockout Tagout online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses, a complete practical safety program built to protect workers from one of the most dangerous risks on the job. In just 38 minutes, this course gives you the real-world skills needed to stay safe around electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, chemical, and thermal energy sources, all covered inside the job aid you'll use throughout the training. This course breaks down Lockout Tagout in a simple, structured way, guiding you through how equipment energy actually works and why it must be controlled, what energy isolating devices are and how they prevent dangerous movement, the difference between lockout devices and tagout device, and when each must be used, the step-by-step process authorized workers follow to safely shut down and isolate machinery, how to handle special situations like shift changes, group lockouts, outside contractors, and testing procedures, your responsibilities and what to do when you identify a problem during Lockout Tagout. These steps are explained using the same sequence authorized employees follow in the field, from notifying workers, isolating energy, applying locks and tags, releasing stored energy, and verifying equipment is safe to work on, all the way to final removal and restart procedures. Every machine on a job site has a hidden force inside it, and if it releases at the wrong time, the results can be life-changing. Completing this course helps you prevent accidental machine startups, reduce your risk of severe injuries, understand the essential steps every authorized worker must follow, improve compliance and job site safety culture, gain the confidence to work safely around hazardous energy. And once you finish this training, you'll receive your certificate of completion instantly, proving your knowledge and your commitment to safety. Protect your life with proven safety training. Gain the Lockout Tagout skills every employer expects and every worker needs. Boost your safety record and stay compliant with OSHA standards today. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.